Hi Madras family, today let's check out what new we have in our display. Today we have very beautiful newborn felted toys. Look at them, how pretty are these? So these are especially made for newborn, very carefully and made with so much details. We have different varieties. Look at this panda. And we have teddy. And the last one is my most favorite. Look at this beautiful reindeer. So this is the total stash of the felted toys. We have very limited stock. You should grab it when it is in stock actually. And we also have some cute bat ball sets for newborn boys. We have this rugby ball, football, and we also have a camera. And this one is for the summer season. Perfect for summer season. And we also have this set of balloons, colorful pastel balloons, which you can use it in your newborn teams on the bean bag. And the evergreen honeybees are here. So these are also made of felt, perfect for summer season. So here's your reminder to stock up your felted toys when we have them in stock. For more such interesting props, do check out www.meraspropstore.com. Thank you.